The interior elements of a kitchen are a little different than what you would think of in a normal space. On a commercial kitchen, we have to have items that are easily cleaned, that are non-bacteria forming and mold inhibiting. So when we look at our floors, the floors are typically a tiled floor or an epoxied floor. This is an epoxied floor. It's anti-slip. It's it's in pretty good shape. There are some elements that are a little bit worn, and so these are things you can take note of, because there is a moderate amount of expense re-epoxying a floor, which does include removing everything in the kitchen. And so we do have to have an anti-slip floor. We do have to have walls that are mold inhibiting. This is a wall that is a fiberglass resin wall that allows it to be easily cleaned. And we do have ceiling tiles, which are non-acoustical type. These ceiling tiles that we have here, again, are cleanable. They're solid, and they are a smooth surface versus a surface that's going to capture and hold any buildup. So those are the three elements we want to make sure we have a good look at on any commercial kitchen interior.